Welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you how to create an indexing live tool holder. First of all, you can see I simplified my file. Here I got the holder base and my indexing part. Now I will add a rotary axis for the indexing. On it I will add a group for the indexing parts. After the indexing rotary axle, I will add another axis for the spindle. Then I add another group for the tool adapter. Now we're gonna adjust the indexing axis. First of all, you can see the rotation is around my C axis. This needs to be changed and rotate the part around the Y axis. The second thing is change the upper limits to -90 and 90. You can see it's limited. Make sure it's not used as a spindle. Then we need to set our axis rotation center. For this, I will here with the measuring mode measure out the center of this rotation axis. Copy it and paste it in the axis rotation center. Now you can see the part is right rotating. Now we're going to change the position of our tool adapter. For this we measure out the distance where our tool adapter should sit and translate it to the right position. Now make sure we don't have an X limit in the spindle, and it will be used as a spindle and set it to true. Now you can see the spindle is rotating. And the tool adapter is in the right position. One important thing, if you save the file, in this case I save it with 0 degrees in the name. Because in TNG it's not possible to adjust the angle of the indexing directly in TNG. If you want to change the angle, you need to go to the index axis. For example, change the axis value on 45 degrees. In this case, -45 degrees. And apply. Now I'm going to save the new tool holder with the name 45 degrees, and you can load it in ESPRIT with an angle with 45 degrees. And that's all. I hope you liked the tips and tricks video. Don't forget to follow our ESPRIT social media and stay tuned for the next tips and tricks clips.